welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera Brittany.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the
I am entering my last semester of nursing school this month of August, and right now I'm working as a nurse intern and I work 12-hour shifts. So I'm working 2 in a row tomorrow and I want to pack my lunch for both days. The meals that I'm making today are refrigerator friendly and they are just cold sacks basically. I've had some instances at clinicals where my instructors don't want us to warm our food or put any food in the refrigerator because we want to save that for the staff members. So I'm not going to bring anything I can't like eat immediately, and this isn't the case for my job now, but I just feel like just giving you guys some options because sometimes I do like chicken, all different things. So yeah, so let's get ready to meal prep. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get into cooking. So I'm taking these packages or containers that I got from Target and I'm basically going to make like snack trays, and I'm adding these pretzel crisps that are everything bagel flavored and they are so good, and I'm just going to add a couple handfuls into the main compartment. I run through these really quick because they're so good. And then something I've been doing is getting like Laughing Cow cheese and adding it and just eating it as a combination, and it's so good. And something I didn't know is that they have like dairy-free like Laughing Cow cheeses, and I'm lactose intolerant and I just love this and it tastes so good, and I love that there's so many more options out there now. And then I'm just going to cut up some fruit, some mango and some strawberry, and add that to the little other compartments, and then also some grapes just to get some fruit in there. Okay, so I totally cut this mango the Pinterest style, the way you do it. I would, if I had enough space in the like container, just leave it like this, but I found it best to just cut it this way and then take a spoon and like scoop out the little like cubes and just put it in there. It was super easy, but okay, so now that that's all packaged up and ready to go, I'm going to take some bread. I know this looks like a lot of bread and it actually is, but I made 2 sandwiches for each day, just the second sandwich as a like just in case I get kind of hungry thing. And the first day I did eat it, the second day I kind of had it left over and ate it when I came home as a little snack. But you can never go wrong with a PB&J. I got some peanut butter from Sprouts and jelly. I love strawberry jelly. I think it's the best. That's a personal opinion, but I just made some basic peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And then I used Ziploc baggies. I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. Just put it in there and pack it up. I added these fruit snacks, Welch's, and some Sunbelt like bakery granola bars. And then I just was looking at my lunch and was like, I don't have enough greens. So basically I'm making a little side salad for both days, and I rinsed my spinach. I cut up some carrots and added that. And then I also cut up some tomatoes and just put that in the salad as well. And then I boiled some eggs and just chopped them up and added it to the salad as well. Sometimes I like to add chicken or cranberries, but I just went with that. And then I have these little ranch packets that are super easy to just pack in the lunches, so I just added that and we're all done. So 12-hour shifts can get kind of long, and something that I've been using as a little pick-me-up is an Olipop. The strawberry vanilla flavor was so good. I love it. I also got one for the second day, and that was tropical punch flavored, and I just love Olipop and Poppy. They're both so good, and these are like great flavors if you ever wanted to try them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.